like how long have you seen it flow for, and how deep is it, and how, is it kind of moving, as fast as you would walk, or?
I would say at peak melt, if we had good rain, then yeah, there's there's some movement to it for sure.
Okay. Yeah, I mean that's a considerable amount of, like, so if you look at like a 6-inch culvert running full bore is 33,000 gallons an hour.
Oh wow.
It's not like, or like a 16-inch culvert is 250,000 gallons an hour.
Hmm.
And so it doesn't take a lot of water for before it makes sense to start trying to harvest this stuff. And particularly because you're so, I mean, it sounds like you're already having water problems like some years anyways, like where water is getting into
Yeah.
areas where you don't want it. And so it's probably going to be worth it for you guys, given the amount of development you're talking about doing here, to get some kind of a topographical data.
Okay.
And hopefully this guy can.
Yeah, we're definitely willing to put some resources and a little more planning forward, just so that we're not making mistakes, right? Like
Yeah.
if we decide later, oh, we want to add some contour here and move this water,
Yeah,
we could be doing more damage than good if we've already, put some paths or barbecue patio or
exactly.
whatever
Well,
there.
because like again, like in terms of that design operations, it's water access structures. And once we figure out where the water flows are going to go and where you're going to manage it, then your access shifts all around that in terms of where you're going to put roads, where you're going to put culverts, what you can get equipment on, and then all your trees and everything, they're all going to follow those roads, and your fence lines are going to follow that stuff. So like if you didn't have water flowing through your property like that, I would say don't worry about it, and you can just put stuff wherever you want and just do it on straight lines.
Hmm.
But the fact that you're talking about kind of making it in that kind of curved curvilinear pattern, that's what you'll end up with some kind of a, whether it's a keyline
Swale.
system with
Yeah.
subsoiling or a swale or something. But you will end up with some of that curvy pattern, and it looks. We have people come on our farm to look at some of this stuff, and one of the most common things people say is like, this just feels right. Like when you're out there walking, like it's curvy, and but it's functional. It's not just like a pattern for pattern's sake. It
Yeah.
actually is doing something, and people recognize it even if they don't know what it is doing.
I
So
would say the low spot where the blue line is out into the middle of that field